Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how to change your Facebook's location setting. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. Before I show you the step, here's a reminder. In the older version of your iOS, you could go inside Facebook and turn on your location and off. Now the setting has a bit of change and most people get confused over here. There is no such thing as turning on location. There's one option on your setting which you have to turn on, but that is just not going to turn on your location. That is also going to allow Facebook to track all your other information. So until and unless you allow that, your location will not be turned on. And if you want to turn off as well, you have to go to the same setting. So it's just a warning from me. If you turn that on, then Facebook will be able to track your data and information. And if you're okay with that, then follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, what you want to do is go on your iPhone setting, and on iPhone setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see Facebook. Once you see Facebook over here, as you guys can see in my screen, you should also search for it and click on Facebook. And this option called allow tracking, you have to turn this on. And even iPhone warns you, allow this app to track you across apps and websites owned by other companies. So click on allow. Once you do that, it's going to track your, data, as well as it's going to track your location. So just like this, you turn this on and a location setting is on. And if you want to turn it off, you just come to the same place and just turn this setting off called allow tracking. And now Facebook will not be able to track you, as well as your location will be turned off. So that's how you guys can change your Facebook location setting. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until next time.